Alright, so this is my attempt at roasting my own almonds. I preheated my oven to 350 and set for 15 minutes. So I got it spread out on parchment paper here on a cookie sheet, so it won't burn or stick or anything, I guess. But I'm going to go ahead and put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Set the timer here. Alright, I ended up doing mine for about 13 minutes. It smelled nice and nutty, and I didn't want them to get over roasted. So the nice thing about using parchment paper is you can just dump it right in there. Alright, and then I add 4 dates to 2 cups, and then a big tablespoon of coconut oil. Add my lid, and then I let it go anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes. Alright, now that you've processed it down to the desired consistency, you're ready to store it or use it right away, whatever you want to do. I'm going to use it right away on some sliced apples. Delicious.